Welcome back to 8-Bit Sailing. This is the sixth and for the time being last episode of the series, how I have equipped my boat with new navigation electronics. The center of this whole setup is a Raspberry Pi with a MacArthur HAT stacked on top. If you haven't seen the previous parts, I strongly recommend you to take a look into these to get a good understanding of what I have done here and how you can do it by yourself. This time I'm preparing a SeaTalk NG cable to connect the SeaTalk NG network to the MacArthur HAT. So let's get right into it. series was useful for you. And if you've enjoyed watching this video, then don't hesitate to give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. Until then, bye.